Question number 5. In this question also we have to factorize the given polynomial. So you can see students, here are 4 terms. First of all, you can check that whether any term you can take common or not. From here, what you can take common? X square from these 2 terms. What is left behind? X minus 2. But here is 2 minus x. So what you will take? Minus 1. Then it will be minus 1 you are taking. So x will be of plus and this 2 will be of minus. So see students, this term is same. So take this outside. What is left behind? From here x square and from here minus 1. Again beta, from this you will decide, you will write here, you know a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So you will use this identity here beta, x minus 1 and x plus 1. So these are the factors of this given polynomial. Now I am doing fourth part of this. Why? Because fourth and first part both are same. So I am doing fourth part firstly. So what is that? 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. You can see students, total 4 terms are there, and from these 2 what you can take common? Y square. So what is left behind? 2y minus 1. And from here 2y plus 1. From here you will take minus 1. The thing will be 2y plus 1. This is same. Take this outside. What is left? Only y square. Then minus 1. Again do that thing. A square minus b square. A minus b and a plus b. So these are the factors of fourth part. After this I will explain second and third part. So firstly I am doing second part, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. It is question number second of fifth question, second part. In this question, we will split these 2 terms. Why? Because directly we are not having any common term. So we will split these 2 terms into 4 terms. So how can we start? From the end I am starting the question. Write this minus 5. Minus 9x. But you can write this minus 9. Minus 5x. Take the same number here. What is left? From minus 9 we have taken minus 5. So what is left? Minus 4x. In the same way, now check, this is minus 4 and this is minus 3. I will write minus 4x square. So what I need to make it minus 3? This is minus 4 and I need minus 3. So what I will take? Plus 1. I will do plus 1 here. So I will write this minus 3 plus x square and then this x cube. Again I am explaining this. Write this 5 as it is. Split this term into minus 5 minus 4. But how can you take this minus 5 minus 4? See this number. Take this number same coefficient, minus 5. What is left? Minus 4. In the same way, see this number. This is minus 4, but this is minus 3. But we will take minus 4x square. For making it minus 3, I am adding plus 1. So I write this minus 3 plus 1 minus 4. And then x cube. Now from these 2 terms, you will take x square common. What is left? X plus 1. From these 2 terms, you will take minus 4x common. So what is left? X plus 1. From these last 2 terms, you will take minus 5. What is left? X plus 1. Students, there are three terms, 1, 2 and 3. You can easily see that x plus 1 is a common term. So take this outside, x plus 1, and what is left? From here x clear, from here minus 4x, and from here minus 5. Now we will solve this quadratic polynomial with the help of splitting middle term. The same thing you will do here. The product should be equal to minus 5 and sum should be equal to minus 4. So I am taking minus 5 plus 1. If you will take the product, then you will get minus 5. You will take the sum, you will get minus 4. So write this term minus 5x plus x minus 5. I just split this middle term only. X plus 1, what is common? X left behind, x minus 5 plus 1 you will write here, and here what is left? X minus 5. X plus 1, one common factor is x minus 5, and what is left? X plus 1. So these are the factors of your part second. You can take the screenshot of this question. After this, I will do third part. Like the second part, we will solve the third part. So what is third part? X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. The same thing we will do here. Write this 20 as it is. Now 32x is there. We will make the pairs, but 20 will be must in that one. So I am writing 20x. What is left? 12x. So that the answer will be 32. Now make the pairs of 13. But see this 12. So we will write it 12x square plus x square. 12 plus 1, that is 13x square plus x cube. From these two terms, take x square common, x square plus 1. Sorry, x plus 1. From these two terms, 12x, so left x plus 1. From these two terms, what is left? 20 into x plus 1. So you can see x plus 1 is a common factor. So take this outside and write the left terms, x square plus 12x plus 20. Now make the pairs so that product will be equal to 20 and sum will be equal to 12. So I can take 10 and 2, and all symbols are, all signs are of plus, so both numbers will be of plus. So I am writing this 12x as 10x plus 2x plus 20. You will write this x plus 1 at every step. You need not to leave it here. So from here you will take common x, x plus 10 plus 2 into x plus 10. What is left? Take this x plus 10 as a factor, and the second left factor is x plus 2. So these are the factors of this given polynomial. I hope question is clear to you.